Hello, everybody, and welcome to this first video in a short series with an aim of showing you how simple and easy it is to set up and solve using an HPS connection within Ansys Mechanical. So you see on screen here, I have a transient structural simulation that is set up and ready to go with a drop test type situation, set in this case to be solved using the APDL solver. So normally if we were running locally, we could just go up here and hit the solve button and off the model would run. However, we want to set up and use an HPS connection. So if I expand the details of the solve process settings here, you can see at the moment I only have 2 queues available. I want to add a new queue to enable and set up that HPS connection. So I'll go in, I'll add a queue, I'll give it a name of HPS, I'll accept that. And then I have to go through and input some details to set up and use that connection. So first of all, we need to choose the solution execution target. And for us, obviously, in this case, we're going to be choosing HPC Platform Services. So in order to set this up and use it, I need to input a URL, in this case to the Ansys HPS installation. And I need to choose a license that I would like to use. So you can see here, I have a choice of all of the possible Ansys structural mechanics licenses that I have available. But I'm just going to default to the Ansys Mechanical Enterprise license. So once those 2 things are input, I can then go forward and test that HPS connection. And as you can see here, I get a message back straight away telling me that that connection was successful. So then I have to go through and input my username and password. So for us within Ansys here, this is my standard Ansys SSO password. So I will input my email and I will authenticate that. It will then come back and ask me for my single sign-on login password, which I will supply. And then you can see there, I get a message straight back saying that the authentication for that has been successful. And that is all I need to do. So I can now click OK. That model is now set up and ready to solve. So when I come here, I now have a new queue available and I can choose HPS as my solution type. So I can then simply select HPS, I can hit solve. And that model will package itself up, send it off to the HPC instance that I am using and start to solve. Simple as that. So please check back for the second video in this series, where I will then show you how to monitor the progress of that job and retrieve the results at the end of it. Thank you for your time, everybody.